Stand by for retinal and biometric scan.
Well, the whole group is here. What do you have in your hand?
Well, the Rynox Gravel gloves, they are here.
Nice. They look nice.
Yeah, and quite comfortable too.
Interesting.
Nice, right?
So welcome to the good gear life.
Yes.
We shall ride soon. Whoa. These nice. And they feel secure. And they feel comfortable. I know. You guys will be like, ये design तो देखा है किधर? So you comment and tell us where have you seen this design. So now getting back to these gloves. Yes, I have praised Rynox a lot in the past, and for their quality, their standards used, and their protection given. But are they living up to its name? So these here are Rynox Gravel Dual Sport gloves. So just as the name suggests, they are meant for dual sports. Like you can use them for every day, you can use them on road, you can use them off the road, and so goes the story. At the same time, giving you adequate level of protection. Dual sport, eh? Let's try them out. So let's get to the first point. And first point, as I always emphasize, is comfort. So when it comes to comfort, these gloves are pretty comfortable. And the reason for that is, A, they have pre-curved fingers, so they're already in the posture or position for you to ride, like hold the grip. At the same time, they have 3D mesh, if you can see. Now this 3D mesh makes these gloves very breathable. I mean, in our hot summers, this is like God's gift to mankind. The protection here, okay, is Flex Protect. Well, that is the name given by Rynox. Well, because simply they are flexible. At the same time, this main construct and the chassis is of premium leather. So this is giving you adequate protection with adequate comfort and even better ventilation. The stitching is on the outer side. That means it adds to added comfort because you don't have the stitching on the inside to prick your skin. That makes a lot of sense. But then there is a drawback to that, and there is a downside, which stay tuned for the rest of the video. Abhi thodi bataunga. So the next point is protection. And this glove, bhar ke diya hai. You have here near the knuckles, near the fingers, near the scaphoid. What is this?
It's thermoplastic rubber, TRP.
आइला TRP का नया मीनिंग आ गया इसमें तो. Well guys, TRP used here, and because of this, it is very flexible. At the same time, providing really high level of impact resistance. Well, considering we are talking of TRP, अभी हमारी TRP बढ़ाओ. Please hit the share, like, subscribe, or comment. Help in increasing our TRP also, guys. Come on, please. Now, since you're talking about protection again, the leather here is full grain leather, which is one of the best when it comes to abrasion resistance. At the same time, they have given these silicone placements here, which help in better grip of your handlebars. At the same time, these are very well ventilated, and they have an HD foam inside here to add added protection. This area here near the velcro, they've given a Hapilon material. Now this material helps in case of a fall and a slide, it prevents the glove and locks it in your hand, from preventing the glove from coming off. Now coming to the third point, we have two key highlights here. One being the stitching being on the outside, the fingers inside are very comfortable. But as I had mentioned earlier, there is a slight drawback. Now we do have the tap fingertips here for easy access on your mobile phone. But sometimes these stitches do come in the way and create a slight issue. So a small request to Rynox is if they could just, scrape off the edges a little bit and add a little more finishing, these gloves would be nearly perfect. And as you just saw like a couple of seconds ago, I use this. They have these straps to help you put on the gloves. Trust me guys, this is very, very helpful. So these again are a big blessing when it comes to these gloves. Now, I know all of you are wondering, लेना है, तो जाओ website पे, check करो. There are 2 more other very nice colors. Do check them out and book करो यार, खरीद लो. And see you in the next one. Until then, ride hard, ride safe, and see ya. Oh, hi. You guys are still here. So, basically, there is one small thing that I would like to point out. And Rynox, if you can just rectify this is still fine. But there is something here that is not. And as I remove these gloves, okay, if you see, there's a line on my finger, on my palm, sorry. And that's because this material here protrudes a little too out, and that is creating scratches on the hand. And it's not happening only to me, it's happening to a couple of other riders that I've asked. So they love these gloves besides this. So a small request is, in case Rynox you're listening, if you can just scrape this part off, or guys who are buying these gloves, just take a scissor and just chop this part off. Rest, these are almost perfect. Bye bye.